Hello, Dan Shabru here from Digital.ai Application Security, and I'm excited to tell you about improvements to our threat analytics, otherwise known as the Application Aware UI. So we've upgraded the interface. It's a brand new interface, and the new look and feel improves accessibility, and it boasts an intuitive design language that's already tried and true by the rest of the products in the Digital.ai portfolio. And well, actually, one thing that we won't show but is true is that you're able to now access the threat analytics and actually the entire administration configuration interface through a vanity domain, which will make it easier for customers like yourself to remember where the heck you put that application security for mobile interface. And of course, we've updated the graphics and filtering options in the threat reports, making it easier to both identify and respond to threats. So let's take a look. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the updated application security threat analytics interface. And as you can see, some of the data that you know and love seeing in the old version is now a little bit easier to consume, understand, and track. So in the top left, which used to be the first full screen, you'll see the unique application instances. And that's an ID that's generated by a protected app the first time it starts after being installed. And then a threat is a instance or a unique app instance or UAI that has reported at least one tamper event. And then we have events, which is inclusive of both threats and other events, for lack of a better word, that are monitored, such as a heartbeat check. Now, on the top right, we'll see events over time. So you'll see the number of events that are reported on a daily basis over the course of the past week, and you can quickly click through the various weeks. And then you have in the bottom left two different views. One is the countries that have the most instances or UAIs, and then you can juxtapose those with the countries that are suffering from the most threats. And in this case, we'll see the number of instances is greatest in the US with 1,930, and Ireland with 932. But if we switch to threats, we see that the US, again, number one, but it's actually Saudi Arabia that has the most threats, and Ireland is actually not on this top 10 chart. So not a strong correlation within Ireland between instances and threats, which is a good thing for Ireland. And then, of course, helps the info security manager in the security operations center with separating the wheat from the chaff and concentrating on the areas that are producing the most threats to the enterprise. So over here, we have the most active guard. So you're seeing the types of protections that are being triggered by threats most often. And that's it for the first screen. So lots of other goodies in here. We'd love to schedule a demo with you to show you everything else that is new and exciting in the AppAware interface. But that's it for now. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening. And as I mentioned, lots more to see here. Please schedule a demo with us at digital.ai/contact us. And we look forward to speaking with you soon.